So here's a quick tutorial on how to find activities on VHL if they do not show up in your dashboard. So if you're looking for activities by the date that they've been signed, you can click on Calendar, go to Assignment Calendar, and it shows you the activities on the day they are due. For the recordings that we're going to do for practice, another way to find your activities is go to Content, click on Activities, and it takes you to the default Lesson 1 page. Select the lesson that you're currently working on. In this case, we're Lesson 4. Over on the left, it gives you a menu. Contextos is vocabulary. Fotonovela is the video. Cultura are cultural readings. Estructura is grammar. And then these are other different categories. So under Estructura, you have the different grammar topics. In this case, for this activity that I'm recording, we're looking for the stem changing verbs. And then you can see the titles by name. And then you can click on that activity and it takes you to your answers that you have submitted, and you can listen and read those sentences that are there. Hope this has been helpful.